Was the ghost of Anne Boleyn actually real? So the first reported sighting of this ghost was in the 1860s. Apparently a guard in the London Tower noticed a strange figure in white. Naturally, he thinks it's an intruder, pulls out his bayonet and rushes at them. But instead of doing any damage, his bayonet went right through them and he freaked out and fainted. When he wakes up, he thinks that he probably saw a ghost. But it wasn't just any ghost, it was Anne Boleyn's. Honestly, to me, it just sounds like a bad dream. I mean, I'm not buying it at all. Because if you're a guard in the London Tower and you see someone you don't recognize, why is it the first thing you do is rush them with your bayonet? Wouldn't you ask who they are and what they're doing there? It doesn't make sense. But it does make sense in a dream. And how would a random guard in the 1860s really know what Anne Boleyn looked like? There weren't that many portraits of her, and the ones that they did have weren't accurate. So I don't see a random guard in the 1860s being able to tell the difference. However, there is another story. One night, a guard notices that lights are flickering in the royal chapel. So he gets a ladder, pulls it next to the window, and looks inside. And he sees a procession of 16th century lords being led by Anne Boleyn. But how would a guard know what 16th century clothing looked like? Fashion changed a lot, and it's not like he could reference TV shows or the internet. I'm just not buying it.